Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to use Skype. My name is Tam Ngo from FCIQ 101, and I will be teaching you how to use Skype, how to sign up for it, the benefits and the perks of using it for every single person every single day. Now, the first thing we'd have to do is we have to sign up for Skype, and by doing that, we'd have to either go through a quick bar and either use an Explore button there, or you may go to your Start menu button and type in Internet Explorer, and it should be the first option. Now you'll be redirected to your browser page, and on the top left where you can put in your text field, you will put in skype.com. After you press enter, you will then be redirected to the Skype homepage. Now the first thing we have to do is we have to join Skype. So we'll go to join Skype on the top right button. We're going to press it. Now there are three ways of creating an account for Skype. The first way would be using your existing Microsoft accounts. If you already have one with your school, then you may put that in. If you instead have already created a Facebook page, you may put that in the fields on the top and the bottom over here. Or if you do not have either, you can start with filling out all the information down below. I will put in some test information for now, so you may know. And then you're going to put your birth date, your gender, which will be male, your city, which is New York, language is English, unless you would like to use a different language, but for now we'd like to use English. How do you intend to use Skype for personal conversations? And your Skype name. For now, this is going to be your name that will show up when anybody sees you, but you may change that later. So for now, this is our login name. So we will put in, for now, any name that you'd like that will work, which I will put in something random. And your password must be something that you can remember that has any characters between 6 to 20, including numbers. No one else may see your password, and this is something that's personal. Now, you don't have to sign up for any of these notifications, but you do have to put in the field in the box. So type every character at a time. So NAHGENCU, and you have agreed to the terms and services, and press continue. Now we have registered for the Skype account. Press no thank you since you do not want the Skype credit added to the account. And on this page, now we have our create account. And now the next thing to do is to then go back to skype.com on our top left browser field. And now after we have created our account, we will download the account. So download the Skype, I'm sorry. And by doing that, we will go all the way to the bottom. And since most of us are using Windows, we'll be using the Windows desktop, which will be highlighted in the second link. If you're using Mac, you can use the third link. If you're using a Linux or Debian based, you may use Linux. Now we go to Windows desktop since we're not using Windows 8. And you would download Skype, which is the big button highlighted right here. Now we will press run on the bottom where Internet Explorer will pop up. Press yes, and I agree. And we're going to go through every single step until it's fully installed. Now, since we just finished installing Skype, now